In this quick 1-minute video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know to become a DIY recycling expert. When I bring cardboard in, I want to lay it flat and on a negative slope so that it slopes down away from you so it can't avalanche. This horizontal line is a safety line. If you go above there, you risk injuring somebody. This vertical line and that horizontal line, that's the next stack.
Hello, I am Luke, a volunteer at the Jemez Recycling Center. In this bin, we recycle loose, hard plastic. Please make sure to rinse out all your containers such as these and throw away all your plastic bags. And remember, they do not go in here. They can go in here or in the landfill area. And if that does not happen, they get a dirty load which costs extra dollars. So please try your best to recycle right.
Hello, my name is Job. I'm a volunteer here at the Jemez Recycling Center. I can talk about our paper recycling bin. Here we recycle all paper products such as paperboard, flattened boxes, newspapers, magazines, etc. No plastic bags here either. You can reuse them for something else. Also, no corrugated cardboard. Corrugated cardboard boxes goes on another bin.
Hey Calvin, want to hear a joke about paper?
Yeah, what?
Never mind, it's terrible.
Good one.
I can talk about our steel recycling bin. Here we recycle things like cans and old tools. Pretty much anything out of steel. No aluminum here. It helps us be able to recycle better, and there's also other places for aluminum. No bags, please. Makes our life easier. Also, if you do not know that your object is steel, we have here a magnet. Place it against it. If it sticks, it's steel. If not, then it's not. By the way, if you have any extra magnets, just go ahead and place them right here. We can use them. So thank you so much for recycling here.
Hey Jack, what's a cardboard's favorite sport?
Boxing!
You got it.